Hello and welcome, friends. Let's do some title masking with the magic mask. What I want to achieve is I want to put this dance like Mario is watching behind this dancing girl here. And to achieve that, I alt drag the first video track to the third so that we have the title as a sandwich between these two layers. This is the reason why you don't see it at this moment. I then disable the first video track for now. You will see in a second why, or make it 10 seconds. I select video track 3 and go to the color page. In the color page, I'm going to the magic mask. And then I'm looking for a good frame to start from. And here I'm going to better this time because I have a 12 GB GPU. I toggle on our overlay and then I will only drag one line on our dancer. And you see that it already does a very, very good job. From here, I'm going to track in both directions. And you see that it really does a great job. Yeah, that's really great. Now I toggle off our mask overlay. I right-click on an empty space and add an alpha output. I drag the output from our node with the magic mask on it to our alpha output, and then we see already that the text is behind her. The only thing what I want to do here is drag the blur ratio a little bit up. Then I go to the edit page. Here I deactivate our first video track again, and then we can enjoy the whole thing in full screen. You see that I dragged a little bit to the in the wrong direction. So let's fix that. Yeah. I moved the third track to the right a little bit so that we had some overlapping. But yeah, that's very great work from the Magic Mask. I hope you have fun with it if you have the studio version. And enjoy the rest of this playlist. Thanks for watching. See you soon.